This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, fine. In continuation of the previous session, I'm continuing. So let me go with the determinant of a matrix. I hope up to the part of the explanation of a determinant, you thoroughly got it as. Maybe I want to explain one more time with respect to what I can say that the shortcut for that. Okay. Yes. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So one more time, I'm explaining you here. Just try to listen. Just try to listen. I'm just taking a third order matrix. The shortcut for that. Let me take the third order matrix, which is a A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Similarly, A31, A32, A33 will be there. So this is the third order matrix. Let me consider it as. Now what I'm telling is, just try to consider the first column, first element, and last element. First column, first element, and last element. Write it in opposite. Write this in opposite. So which is A11 and A31. Got my point? Then similarly you try to write the last column, first element, and last element. Last column, first element, and last element, you take it in opposite. Similarly, earlier case. Here you write it as A. This you write it as A13 and A33. I hope you people are following me. Am I correct? I'm just writing this one A13. So this is a matrix we are taking. Right. So now what I'm telling is what I want to tell you guys is, see, ma'am, after writing, see, first column, first element, and last element, opposite you have to write it as. Then similarly, last column, first element, and last element, you have to write in the opposite. So after writing this, you need to multiply the diagonal elements. You need to multiply the diagonal elements. So see here, first I need to take the middle diagonal element, all the principal diagonal elements. So this I need to multiply that. For making the multiplication of principal diagonal elements, no need to consider the outside elements, only principal diagonal elements. And you people have to consider that as, see, try to understand me. Above the diagonal elements, if you are multiplying, above the diagonal elements, you are having here only 2, and one more element is required, which is below the outside element. I have to multiply. Try to check it out here. See, above the diagonal elements, if I'm considering, below the outside element, you people have to consider it as. Then similarly, below the diagonal elements, if you are considering here, I have only 2 elements, and again I require one more element, which I need to consider it as outside the above element. I need to consider it. So now this is the criteria. So let me take this as a 1, a 2, and a 3. I'm just taking here. Right. So try to understand these criteria. Clear up my point? This you got it now? First, I need to multiply only the middle diagonal elements. Above the middle diagonal elements, if I'm multiplying, I need to consider outside the below element. Below the diagonal elements, if I want to make it as, above the outside element, I have to consider it as. This is what the point I have to keep in your mind. So the same I have to apply for opposite also. The same you people have to apply the opposite side. See here, middle diagonal elements. Middle diagonal elements, there is no outside elements. Then above diagonal elements, below the outside element, I have to multiply it. Then similarly, below diagonal elements, above the outside element, I have to multiply it. This A11, you have to multiply it. So this I'm considering it as 4. This I'm taking it as a 5. This I'm taking it as a 6. So now finally, determinant of A is equivalent to what I need to take it as all 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is a positive case, and then remaining will be, that is a 4 plus a 5 plus a 6, which will be what, ma? The negative part. You can cross verify, ma. If you have any doubts, you can cross verify in your determinant expansion. You can cross verify the determinant expansion. You can cross verify. See, go and check it there. Go and check this. After finishing of the class, you try to check it out here. See, you take the terms. This has some one. See, all the positive terms becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, this is I'm taking it as some one. The next positive term will be 2. Then this is nothing but what more 3. 3 positive terms are there and 3 negative terms will be there. So this is some 4. This I'm taking as some 5. This I'm taking as some 6. So because of this reason only, there I'm writing it as determinant of A is 1 plus 2 plus 3. The 3 terms, first 3 terms will be a positive terms and the last 3 terms may be a what mark? Negative terms. So that is the reason why I'm writing the shortcut of your determinant. Here I'm representing here 1, 2, 3 are the positive terms and 4, 5, 6 are the negative terms. Got my point clearly? Now you understood now? All the people.
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
You got it now, ma? Now it is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now you can cross verify with an example. Same earlier example. See, earlier I just given you an example. Take an example that same example I'm explaining here. A is equivalent to take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. You take it as one of this element. See, this 0, if you are considering, you will have 27. If I'm taking that 9, you will have a 0. Yeah, now for this, can you give me the answer for that determinant by using this technique? Can you give me the answer? See what I want to do here. This 1 and 7, I have to write in opposite. So this 1 and 7 here it will be. Then this 3 and 0 will be. I'm taking this side. This is 3 and 0. So now I need to multiply first the middle diagonal elements, above the middle diagonal elements, below the outside element, then below the diagonal elements, and above the outside element. So this is 1, 2, and 3 I'm taking here. Then similarly this side, opposite side I have to take it as. This is middle diagonal elements, below the middle diagonal elements, outside the element, outside the above element, above the middle diagonal element, below the outside element. So which is 4, 5, and 6 I am taking here. Right. So now what is my determinant? Determinant of A is equal to what? Give me the answer for this. First 1, 2, 3. 1 means what mark? 1, 3 means what? 3, 4, 12. 12, 8 how much? 12, 8 how much? 3, 4, 12. 12, 8 how much? Yeah. Yes.
96, sir.
Yes, ma.
96, sir.
Yeah. This will be 96. Next one is what? Plus second one. Second one means what? This one. 1, 5, 5, 5 zeros, 0. Am I correct? Next 3, 2, 6, 12. 2, 6, 12. 12 sevens how much?
84.
Yeah, good. Next one. Similarly, see that first 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3 will be positive. Then 4, 5, 6 will be negative. Am I right or not? So then for that, what do people get this? Give me fourth one, ma. Fourth one is what?
105.
Fourth one. 0 into 4. So anyhow, this will become 0, ma. 0 into 4 into 2, that will be 0. Yeah, anything you can write it as. So maybe you done it as a middle diagonal element. Whatever it may be the case, you can write it as not a big deal. Right? Yeah. Next, fifth one. What is the fifth one? 7 5s, 35, 35 3s, 1 and 5. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, sixth one, 8 6 48. 8 6 48. Yeah. Now give me the answer for this. How much you will get it as? I hope you will have the answer as 27.
27, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, obviously, what? 27. Am I correct or not?
27, sir.
Yeah. See, no need to write always. No need to write always. See, for understanding purpose, I written the elements outside. Once if you properly understand this method, no need to write the elements outside. Directly you can multiply. See, this 150, that you know that. Then this 2 6 represent. Getting what I'm saying? See, no need to write. See, if I'm considering this is 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. This is my matrix. I know that. For understanding purpose, stepwise I written and goes. I taken all the classes here. But if you use your common sense, if you practice problem based upon that, you can tell directly the answers. See, first I need to multiply the middle diagonal elements, ma. So you can represent this side will be what, ma? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 5 zeros, which will be 0. Next, 2, 6. What I need to do? This 7 element I need to multiply it as. Likewise, by seeing the matrix itself, you can tell the answer directly. Just multiplication only. No need to write this side, that side. If you are practicing 2 to 3 times of the same problem, not same problem, up to 3 to 4 problems if you are putting practice, then you can get it as what? The direct answer. But you understand what I'm saying here? I hope you people are following. So write again, ma.
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Right? 2 to 3 problems if you are solving from your side, you can do directly. No need to write the elements outside that and all. Directly you can multiply and you can get the answer here. Got my point? Got my point all? Now you understood, na? All. I hope you people understood properly.
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Yeah, this is the first shortcut, ma. And I'm giving one more shortcut also for the same matrix. Shortcut 2 I'm giving. Whichever you are feeling comfortable, that you take it as ma. One more shortcut, which is shortcut number 2. See, I'm just taking a matrix capital A. Third order matrix only I'm taking. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. I'm just taking here. Earlier, what I done? Ma? I just taken it as what? The first column, first element, last element, oppositely I written, and last column, first element, and last element I taken opposite side. But here it is not required. If you use your common sense very properly, see what I'm doing is, this is the third order matrix. The first two columns, whatever the first two columns are there, the same, the first two columns I'm taking in a replica. See, the first two columns, what I'm getting here, this is A11 and A12. Similarly, A21 and A22. The next one, A31 and A32. So this is what? The first two columns, I'm taking in the what? The exact replica of that one. So now what I want to do is, see, first I need to consider the middle diagonal elements. See, up to that it is clear now? Up to that is it clear or not? The first two columns in the second shortcut of finding the determinant of a matrix, the first two columns exactly you people have to take it in a replica. So now let me consider the middle diagonal elements. First middle diagonal elements I need to multiply it as, then above the middle diagonal elements, 3 elements will be there. Then again above the middle diagonal elements, 3 will be there. Then you can cross verify it as, this is 1, 2, and 3 will be there. That's all. Simple. See, check it out. Middle diagonal elements, above the two middle diagonal elements, you people have to consider. That's all. Nothing more than that. Then similarly, opposite side. Similarly, opposite side. See here, this is one of the middle diagonal elements. Then below the middle diagonal elements, then the below the middle diagonal elements. These I can consider it as 4, 5, and 6. So similarly, your determinant of A will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus of 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6. Whichever method you are comfortable, that you can decide it. Take a simple example. Now you understood now? Is there any doubts in that case? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Yeah. You can take an example, ma. Same example I'm taking here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. This is my matrix. Yeah, for this matrix, I need to do it as a determinant of the matrix. So let me consider the first two columns. The first two columns I need to consider it as, so exact replica. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 you people have to do it as. So now what you people get it as? Check it out. Check it out, ma. Come on, give me the answer. So middle diagonal elements. This one, and this one. This is 1, 2, and 3. Next, opposite side, middle diagonal elements, below the diagonal elements, below the diagonal elements. Come on, cross verify it as. which is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Give me the answer for this. Mod A is equivalent to what? Mod A is equivalent to what? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1 into 5 into 0. You will have it as
27,
what?
sir.
Yeah, same you will get it as what? 27 only. If you are properly following 2, 6, 12, 12, 7. So how much? 84. Plus 3, 4, 12, 12, 8. How much? 96. Then minus, you will have here what? 4, 5, 6. 7, 5, 35, 35, 3, 105. 105 plus 8, 6, 48. And the last one will be 0. Again, you will have it as what? 27. You got my point? You got my point clearly all? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now you understood, Nama? Whichever the method, if you are feeling comfortable, that you can do it. That is in your hands. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let me take some of the properties of your determinant of a matrix. Then we will solve the problems based upon that. So we will go with properties. Properties. Yeah. Now let me find out the first point. What I will do is, can you calculate the determinant for these matrices? Can you calculate the determinant for these following matrices? Can you calculate the determinant for these following matrices? Come on. Yeah, can you give me the answer for this? Determinant of the following matrices. Firstly, give me.
0, sir.
If you observe here, this one will be what, ma?
So
Below
first
the
one
diagonal
24, sir.
Yeah, first one will be what, ma? Below the diagonal elements are what? 0. Hence I can call this matrix as what? Hence I can call this matrix as what, ma?
Upper triangular matrix, sir.
Upper triangular matrix. This one, above the diagonal elements are 0. I
Lower
can call it as
triangular matrix, sir.
triangular matrix. Only diagonal elements are present in here. This matrix I am
Diagonal
calling it as
matrix.
diagonal.
matrix.
All the diagonal elements are multiples of 2. Then you can call this as what, ma? Scalar matrix. Am I correct? Now, in this case, you can able to get the answers for this is, in the case of upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, the determinant of a matrix is multiple of the diagonal elements. Multiplication of the diagonal elements. Am I correct or wrong? In the case of upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix, diagonal matrix, and scalar matrix is nothing but what? The determinant of those of the matrices are what, ma? Multiples of your diagonal elements, which is 1 into 4 into 6, which is how much, ma? 24. This case, 1 into 3 into 6, how much? 18. Then this case, 1 into 2 into 3, how much? Which is 6. Next, 1 into 2, sorry, 2 into 2 into 2, which is how much? 8. Am I right? Am I correct or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yeah, write down that point, ma, here. The statement, the determinant of upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix are what? The determinant of upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix, diagonal matrix, and scalar matrix are what? What, ma? Multiplication of or product of its. Simply you can tell, yeah, that point also very good. Or product of
Principal diagonal matrix, sir.
very good. Product of its principal diagonal elements are diagonal elements. You can represent it as this point. You can mention here. This is first most point you have to keep in your mind. Product of its principal diagonal elements. Clear now? Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts in this case?
No, sir.
Yeah. Next, can you give me the determinant for these matrices? Like 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, some 4, 5, 6. Similarly, 1, 0, 4, 2, 0, 5, 3, 0, 6. Can you give me the determinant for these matrices? Yes.
0, sir.
Yeah. Why? Why this 0? Yeah. Obviously, the
Sir,
determinant for
one
this matrix.
complete row or one complete column is 0, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. If any one complete row or complete column, complete means what? In the corresponding row, all the elements must be 0. In the corresponding column, all the elements must be 0. If any one complete row or complete column is 0, then the determinant of the matrix is 0. Write on that point. Write on that point. If any one complete row, if any one complete row or a complete column, if any one complete row or complete column is 0, then determinant is nothing but what, ma? The determinant is what? Are you able to following me all?
0,
I
sir.
can tell you directly. Yeah, I can tell you directly statements. Instead of statements, I'm just giving an example so that you can have an idea. While seeing this point statement, you can able to easily memorize that point. See, what I can say, that dictate the statements directly. This is a property. I can tell directly, but I'm not doing in such a case. I'm just giving an example. I'm deriving the answers from you guys only, so that it will be memorized forever. Clear na? Did I'm doing
Yes.
proper way or not? Did I'm doing the proper way or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes. I hope you people are following me. Okay. Next, third point, ma. Third one. Give me the determinant for this matrix. What's the determinant for this
0.
matrix? What, ma? What's the determinant for this? Again, it is
0, sir.
0. This also 0. I think for earlier case, yeah. Why it is 0? Why it is 0?
Same elements are repeated, sir.
Yeah. If any two rows are proportional to each other, or if any two rows are same, or any two columns are same, then the determinant of that matrix is what, ma? Then the determinant for that matrix is what? It is 0 or not?
0, sir.
0 only, na? Yeah, see, this row and this row, 0. And this column is what? Same. Same. If any two rows or two columns are same, then the determinant of the matrix is what, ma? 0. Write down that one. If any two rows or two columns are same, then the determinant is what? Determinant is what, ma?
0, sir.
Got my point? Yes. Next, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6. Find the determinant for this. What's the determinant for this? Sima, these all properties are a previous questions only. all the previous questions. So that I'm just making it as what, ma? The properties. Getting what I'm saying here? Please kindly follow me. Yeah, tell me. What's the determinant for this? What's the determinant for this, ma? No response. Yes. Are you there all?
0, sir.
0, sir.
Why it
Zero,
is 0? Yeah, 0 only, ma. Why it is 0? If any two rows or two columns are proportional to each other. See here, this R3 as what, ma? 2 times of your R1 or not? Or no?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this column, this
Column.
C3 is 2 times of your C1 or not? Hence directly you can represent that as what? Hence you can go direct that as what, ma? 0. So write down, if any two rows are two columns are proportional to each other. If any two rows or two columns are proportional to each other, then determinant is what, ma? Then determinant is what? 0.
0.
Clear, na? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Are you able to following me or not? Hmm? Next, one. I think you already calculated here. If the determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 is equivalent to 27, then can you tell me the determinant for this? What is the determinant for this? If the determinant of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 is 27, then the determinant for 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 0 is how much? Come on. How much?
27.
27,
Yes.
sir.
Why? This also 27, ma. Why it is? Determinant
Transpose
of
of
A is equivalent to what, ma? Determinant of A transpose. Am I correct? Determinant of A is equivalent to determinant of A transpose. I can represent it. Am I correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you feeling bored?
No,
Are you feeling
sir.
bored? I'm getting the
No, sir.
response slowly. I'm getting the response slowly. Yes, sir, like that you are telling. Huh? Next point. If determinant of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 is 27, then is dash. How much?
27.
Tell me the answers for these two things. Okay, come on. Use your common sense and give me the answer for that. Yes?
1 by 27.
27, sir.
1 by 27. No. No.
Minus 27, sir.
Yeah, very good. For this, see, ma, if it is this, for this answer will be minus 27. Why means if any one row or one column is interchanged. See here what I done? What I done from this to this? I just interchanged the row. R1 as what? What have I done? R1 as what, ma? R3 I interchanged. One time I interchanged. If any one row or one column, one time if it is interchanged, obviously the determinant is multiplied by what, ma? Minus 1. If any one row or one column is interchanged, then I can represent that as what? With the minus 1. Then can you tell me the answer for this? What is the answer for this? 2 times I interchange the rows. Am I correct?
27, sir.
27.
It is a plus? Yeah, plus 27. You got my point clearly? You got my point clearly here or not? See, for that what I am representing here is, try to understand. If you are having some determinant, the determinant I am representing it as some minus 1 whole power k of this determinant. What? Shall I represent this one? Yes. No response. What I'm representing is, if any one row or one column is interchanged, then the determinant will be multiplied by what, ma? Determinant is multiplied by what? What? Am I audible? Am I audible all?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah. If you are not giving the response, I'm having a doubt whether I'm audible or not. That's why I'm getting the doubt. Right? Hmm? Yes, tell me. Or you can simply represent that as what, ma? See, if one time row or a column is interchanged, then the determinant will be multiplied by what? Determinant will be multiplied by what, ma?
Minus 1,
Minus,
sir.
sir.
Minus 1.
1
One time. If it is 2 times,
plus into 1, sir.
1 whole power
plus
k.
1 only. Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason why I'm concluding that for odd number of interchanges, that determinant will be multiplied by what? For odd number of changes, determinant will be multiplied by what?
Minus.
For even number of changes, the determinant will be multiplied by what?
Plus.
Plus 1. Am I correct? Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Or else you can represent here. You can write for odd number of interchanging of rows or columns, the determinant will be multiplied by what, ma? Determinant is multiplied by what?
Minus 1.
Minus 1, sir.
Minus 1. Similarly, can you write for even number of interchanges? Yes. For even number of changes, for even number of interchanges of rows or columns, determinant is multiplied by
1.
plus 1. Am I correct? Clear now? This is for odd
Yes,
number
sir.
of interchanges, and this is even number of changes. So this point you have to keep in your mind. Understood? These are all problems. See, simply they will mention, they won't ask you with a theoretical approach. They will give you the matrix. Like, see, earlier, this matrix they will give you. If I had given like this matrix, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 is 27. how many zeros, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, they will ask. They won't ask you whether it is multiplied by -1 or that like that. They will simply give you the matrix trace. Based upon that, they will ask you the question. Got my point clearly? Are you understanding what I'm saying? All?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts, ma? Clear now? Next, 7th point. Next point. Yeah, what's the determinant of this matrix? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you give me the determinant for this matrix?
Zero, sir.
What, ma? Yeah, for this. Give me the answer for that. Yes. Yeah, obviously you already calculated earlier. This is 0. This is also what? 0. By if you observe the elements in the matrix, all the elements are what, ma? Consecutive. Consecutive means continuous numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continuous numbers. If the elements in the corresponding matrix is consecutive or continuous numbers, then the determinant of the matrix is what? The determinant of the matrix is 0. Then the determinant of the matrix is 0. Write down that point. If the elements are consecutive or continuous, you can represent it as in the given matrix, then determinant is what, ma?
0, sir.
0. Am I correct? Able to following me? All?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to following me now? Yeah, next, one more point. You can represent like the different cases, ma. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Are you able to following me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next point. Simple criteria, ma. These are all you know already. This is one things. Can you tell me what's the determinant of A into B? Can you give me K into A, which is n by n square matrix? Determinant of this one. Maybe you studied in your academics also. Maybe you studied those in your academics also. Can you give me the answers for this?
Mod A into mod B.
Mod A into, yeah, obviously 8th one will be what, ma? Mod A into mod B, I can represent it as. Based upon that, one of the previous question they asked. One of the previous question they asked like this. Example, if I consider it as, if mod A is equal to 5, mod B is equal to 20 marks, then what is mod A be asked? Which is one of the previous question. Which is one of the previous question. Which is one of the previous question. What's the answer for that? So 5 into 20 is
100.
This is one of the previous gate question. Which is one of the previous gate question you can represent as. Yeah, similarly next one. K, where A is n by n matrix, ma. Where K is what, star, and A is what, the matrix. This I can represent as what? K power n
A
into
mod.
K power into mod A. Where n is what, ma? Order of the matrix. Am I right or not? See, example, if I consider, if I take an example, if A is equivalent to R, you can represent this as determinant of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 is equivalent to 27. Then this is a mod A, you can take it as, not an issue. then the determinant of 2 into mod A is, if they ask you like this, what you people have to do it as? If the determinant of A is equivalent to this 27, then what is the determinant of this 2 into mod A? How much? How you will do it as? Yes. Yes, ma? See what you will
2
do
power
it as.
n
You
into
know,
mod A.
determinant of mod A is 27. This is similar to mod 2A is nothing but what, ma? Where 2 is a scalar, which is A into A. Where this is the third order matrix, ma, that you know that the third order matrix. This I can represent as what? A power n into mod A. Am I correct? So this I can represent as what? K is how much? 2. 2 power 3 into mod A. So 2 power 3 into mod A is what? 27. Am I correct? So 8 into 2 power 3 is 8. 8 into 27. How much will I have it as?
216.
How much?
216, sir.
Yeah. Whether you people are following me or not, I don't know. You need to respond. See, while I'm giving a class, you have to note it down and you have to work out it as. Then only parallelly, if you are doing with me, then only it will be stored in your memory, right? Okay. Yeah. So now you understood now this property. This property you understood or not?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Sir.
Ask me.
Sir, when we will do into that means we have a matrix A, sir. When we will multiply it with 2, we'll get, sir, that one.
That is a matrix multiplication. Na? K into A, which is nothing but what?
Yes, sir.
The basics. If you observe properly, I just given you matrix multiplication. Did I given you
Yes, sir, given,
matrix
sir.
multiplication?
How can
Matrix,
we identify that, sir?
yeah, I will show you. Wait. You have a doubt that, see, I think matrix multiplication with a scalar did I given? The basics, I think so. Whether I given or not, I'll check it out. Yeah, here only. Yeah, see, you can see here. This is there, na?
Okay, sir. That means if there is given modulus, then we can perform that
Yeah.
one, sir.
Mod means determinant. Mod means what? Determinant only. Here simply they asked you what? In this example, they asked you what? 2 into A. Each and every element is K into A. That is K into A. I need to do it as. Right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
For this itself, if they asked you the determinant, up to 2A only they asked multiplication of a matrix with a scalar. Suppose if they asked the determinant for this, at the time what you people have to do it as? First you have to get the determinant for this, then K power n, this is a K into A determinant, you have to do it. Got my point?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Got
sir.
my point, no? Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this I had given already. You don't get bothered, not a big deal. That is not a big problem. You won't get it, right? Clear, na? The doubt is clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah. Next, one more point, ma. This is also very, very important. This is also very important. Yeah. Determinant of A inverse. Actually, this A inverse I will discuss later. Okay. Anyhow, because I'm calculating the determinant for this here itself. That is the reason why I'm taking here. Determinant of A inverse I can represent as 1 by mod A. 1 by mod A. This is one of the property. I will give you the proof for this. Simple criteria only. This is one of the important property. Why means I will tell you with an example, you don't get bothered. All the previous questions it happens. Yeah, proof. You know that what, ma? For orthogonal matrix, you know what? A inverse is equal to what, ma? A inverse A is equal to what? I inverse.
Identity matrix, sir.
This is your orthogonal matrix or not? Am I correct? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
in this, take any one case, ma. Like A inverse is equal to I or A inverse is equal to I, whatever it may be the case, you do it as. So let me take, I'm considering it as mod A inverse is equivalent to mod I am just considering. I'm just applying in what is the determinant. I'm just applying the determinant. I'm just applying the determinant. So how I can able to get it as the determinant? What is the determinant for this? Yes, this seems to be what mod determinant of A into B now. Determinant of A into B is determinant of A into determinant of B. So this I can represent as what? Determinant of A into determinant of A inverse I can represent as. Am I correct or wrong? Then what is the determinant of I? Determinant of I is what? Yes. Determinant of identity matrix is 1. Right?
One.
Determinant of identity matrix is 1. See, I just given a property here. The first most property in your determinant. See, instead of this 2, if I keep 1, 1, 1, 1, this seems to be your identity matrix or not? This seems to be your identity matrix or not? If I keep this as 1, 1, 1, what is
Yes, sir.
the determinant of 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, which is 1. So always, irrespective of the order of your identity matrix, the determinant of the identity matrix is always is equal to what? The determinant of the identity matrix is always is equivalent to what? 1. Am I correct or wrong? So then that I'm just applying here, which is 1 I'm representing. Yeah, now what I can get is here from this, can I write determinant of A inverse is equal to what? 1 by mod A only, na? 1 by mod A or not? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So which is the proof of this one? So why I just taken that as example now? One of the previous gate question is if A is equivalent to if A is equal to 1 2 3 0 4 5 0 0 6. If A is equal to this, then determinant of A inverse is asked. If A is equal to 1 2 3 0 4 5 6, then determinant of A inverse is the asked the question, which is one of the recent previous gate question. Which is one of the recent previous gate question. Can you give me the answer for that? If you use your common sense very properly.
1 by
This is the
24,
question.
sir.
Yes, ma?
1 by
Very
24,
good.
sir.
Yeah, very good, very good. See, without this property, how you will solve it as? See, I did not discuss the 10th property. Let me. What you will do generally? What you will do generally? First, see, this determinant of A inverse is nothing but what, ma? Mod of, that is determinant of A inverse only, na? Am I correct? But if I did not discuss this criteria, if I did not discuss that one, if I did not discuss this 10th property, what you people will do? First, you will calculate the A inverse. A inverse is what? You know that? Adjoint A by det A. Then after getting the A inverse, for that A inverse, you will calculate the determinant. Am I correct? Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Usually, you will follow that criteria only, na? See, without discussing this property, here itself, I discussed the property here. That is the reason why I'm just given here what? An example, so that easily you catch that point that you given the answer. Suppose if 10th property is not there, at the time what you people will do test? The conventional procedure, A inverse is equivalent to adjoint A by det A. Det A you have to calculate it as then adjoint. Adjoint is also a big process. Anyhow, I will discuss the shortcut for adjoint matrix also from the given matrix. After this, I will solve those criteria. You don't get bothered. I'll give a shortcut for adjoint matrix also. Right? Getting what I'm saying? Getting what I'm saying, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is how you people have to implement the things based upon the results. So now this answer, you can tell directly the answer. Determinant of A inverse is equivalent to 1 by mod A. Again, if you see the mark, this is below the diagonal elements are what? 0. So hence it is nothing but what? Upper triangular matrix only, na? For upper triangular matrix, what is the determinant?
Product of diagonal
Product
elements,
of
sir.
diagonal. So which is 24. So hence the answer for this matrix is what? Hence the answer for this is what? 1 by 24. Whatever the value you are getting, that you will write it. That's all. Is there any complexity in this problem? Is there any complexity? Without putting a pen on paper, you can tell the answer directly. Am I correct or wrong? Which is one of the recent 2019 gate question mark. 2019 gate question, which is, can you able to solve this one? Is it easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it easy? Yeah. Next, the last property, I think 11th, na? Yeah, 11th number. So likewise, many more number of problems they are asked from the gate exam point of view. You practice all those criteria. Understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, yeah. Next one more statement. The determinant of a skew symmetric matrix. The determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of odd order is the determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of odd order is dash. Give me that thing. What is the answer for that? Just try to analyze. Just try to analyze. Just try to analyze that one. Give me the answer for that. Give me the answer for that. Yes. The determinant of a skew symmetric matrix. You know what do you mean by skew symmetric matrix? You know what do you mean by skew symmetric matrix? A transpose is equal to minus A. For that you have to apply determinant. Then for that matrix, they are just considering it as an odd order. Then what will happen with respect to that criteria? Just try to analyze. Use your common sense. Apply the logic. That's all. It is also one of the previous gate question. Try to understand what you will get it as. Yes. Any idea?
Sir, minus 1 into 30, sir.
Up to somewhere you got it as. Then you
Sir.
have to extend some.
For
You have to
odd
extend-
order means we should multiply with minus 1, sir. If we take skew symmetric means A transpose equals to minus A, sir.
Yeah.
For
Apply the
example,
determinant.
if yes, sir. For example, if we find determinant for A, then we should multiply it with minus, sir. Again, we should, for odd order, we should multiply with minus 1, sir. Then we will get
Yeah.
the answer, sir.
To some extent you got it the answer. Then just a small correction I will make it as. Yeah, do it. See, you know what is a skew symmetric matrix? What is skew symmetric matrix? You know what? A transpose is equal to
A
what?
transpose equals to minus A, sir.
Then they are asking what the determinant for the skew symmetric matrix means. You need to apply what? You need to apply what determinant? So both sides I have to apply. Determinant of A transpose is equal to determinant of what? Minus A. This you have to do it. Am I right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Am I audible all?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah. We know that what must simply mod A transpose is what? Which is same as is of A only now. That is mod A. Am I correct? And similarly, mod K into A, I can represent as what? Which is if I take it as A n by n, if I take it as what? K power n into mod A only or not? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you apply these two things on this one. Apply these two things. What you will get it as? Mod A transpose is what? Mod A only na? Which is here this minus, it indicates K ma. So minus 1 whole power n only na? K, this only K, this minus 1 whole power n only or not? This I am
Yes,
representing
sir.
it as 1 whole power n into mod A. Am I correct? That you got it now? Understood? And they are asking what? For odd order. what is the determinant of this skew symmetric matrix of odd order? Odd means what? Odd order means you will have here what? 1, 3, 5 and so on. Odd value. Am I correct? Substitute any odd value in this. Like 1 or 3 or 5 you substitute it as. Not a big deal. If I substitute any odd value in that, what you will get it as? Mod A is equivalent to what mod? Minus 1 whole power 1 into mod A. This is mod A is equivalent to minus mod A. This I can represent as what mod? 2 into mod A is equivalent to 0. From that, mod A is what?
0.
0 or not? Mod A is 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you there? All. Can you respond? Are you
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir.
Audible all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it clear now? That last point is clear or not?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Yeah, fine. So these are the some of the properties, ma. You people have to keep in your mind while solving a problem on a determinant of a matrix. So I hope you understood all those criteria. I hope you understood all the criteria. Am I correct? So just revise,
Yes,
fastly
sir.
revise, ma, the properties of your determinant of a matrix. Just try to revise all those criteria. So now let me start some of the problems based upon that. So now you are ready to solve the problems based upon that. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take down the problems. Take down the problems. The value of the determinant. The value of the determinant. Take down the value of the determinant. 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, 2, 1, 3 is. The value of the determinant. The value of the determinant is 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, 2, 1, 3 is. How much? What is the answer for that? And similarly, second one, 3 minus 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 1. Give me the answer for that. Yeah, tell me the answer for that, ma. How much you are getting? What, ma? What is the answer for first?
-7.
Yeah, -7 you will have it as. So solution you will get it now, ma. You try whichever method you are feeling comfortable, that you write it as. The answer for this is -7. Second one, I think explanation is not required for you guys. Am I correct? I think explanation is not required.
For second one, it is -2, sir.
No. Check it properly. You will have answer as a 5 mark.
Second one 5, sir. First one -7, sir.
Yeah, 5. Second one 5 you will get it as. Am I correct? Yes. Seema, for this I just given you already the different criteria, the methods. Different methods I just given you. You can follow that. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I given you the different methods, Nama. Yeah, next third one. Third problem, ma. The value of the determinant 2000 8172 9061 2020. They want the determinant for this. Yes. Can you give me the answer for that? Can you give me the answer for this? Yes. What's the answer? How you will solve it, ma? Sir, up to third order, you told me that then we don't know about the fourth order. Am I correct? See, ma, this is also very easiest manner. Nothing to worry. Am I audible all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, nothing to worry about. Don't panic about the fourth order matrix determinant. Nothing to worry. See, if you observe, see, ma, if you observe the first row, don't expect always like this. First, you have to search that in the if more than fourth order they had given, or fourth order if they had provided you, more than third order if they provided you, more than third order if they provided you. First, you have to consider it as what? If more than third order if they provided you, first you people have to search as the number of zeros in the corresponding row. If 1 0 or 2 0 or 3 zeros or 4 zeros, so don't expect 4 zeros. More than 1 0, they will present it as, obviously, because if fourth order determinant, if you want to calculate, it takes more time, but it is not required, because in the GATE exam point of view, they will provide you either 1 mark or 2 marks only. Okay, so in such a case, if you observe properly, see, ma, the first row, see, check it out. The first row, what happens here? In the first row, what happens here? Only one element is there, and the remaining elements are what, ma? Zeros are there, ma? Generally, what is the determinant of a matrix in the definition? What is the determinant of a matrix in the definition? The sum of the signed cofactors. Am I correct or wrong? The sum of signed cofactors. So, if I want to represent the determinant for this matrix is 2 into A11 plus 0 into A12 plus 0 into A13 plus 0 into A14. This is what now capital A indicates what, ma? These are all what? The cofactor matrix or cofactor of the elements. Am I correct? Are you able to following me?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
able to follow me? Yeah. So now, if you observe this element is 0. If you observe this mark here, this is 0, this is also 0, this is also 0. Am I correct? Am I correct or wrong? So if you are calculating, if you calculate the A12, A13 and A14, nothing will happen because it is multiplied with 0. So hence all these three will become what? 0 or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
All
sir.
three will become 0 or not. So no need to worry about this. Just calculate this up to this part only. That's all. That's enough. Then how I can able to get it? This one 2 into A11 mark. A11 means what? Cofactor of an element, how it will be defined? Cofactor of an element, how it will be defined? -1, if you remember the definition, -1 whole power I plus j into a minor of an element. Minor of an element. That minor will be happens with respect to what? By deleting the corresponding column and row, whatever things. By deleting this one. So deleting means what? I need to eliminate this one and I need to eliminate this one. So remaining determinant I need to take it as. So hence -1 whole power I plus j mark. I plus j means what? 1 plus 1. Then similarly I have to do it as what? The rest of the thing determinant. So which is 1, 7, 2 and which is 0, 6, 1. Then 0, 2, 0 I have to do it. Then what I will get it as? See, are you able to following me here? Are you able to following me?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you need to calculate what determinant for this matrix, and you people have to multiply it as. So 2 into -1 whole power 1 plus 1, which is a -1 whole square, which is a plus 1 only. So 2 into, find the determinant for this matrix. So how much you will have it as? This is 2 into 1 and determinant for this matrix. Determinant how much you will get it as? Check it out. Maybe the
-2, sir.
determinant of this matrix is what? -2 you will have it as. So which is multiplied with what mark? -2. So the answer for this problem is what? The answer for this problem is what?
-4.
Is it 4? That is
Minus-
-4. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it easy or not?
Easy, sir.
Yeah. Can you try one more problem based upon this? Can you try one more? Give me the answer for this problem. The value of determinant of 1 0 3 0 1 minus 1 1 3 0 0 0 minus 1 2 0 1 2. Can you give me the answer for this problem? Can you try this? Same analysis you do it, ma. Give me the solution for that. Give me the solution for that. How you will do? How you people will do it as? See, if you observe properly, if you observe this properly, in the first row two zeros are there. In the first row, 2 zeros are there, ma. Then if you see the last row, you'll have what? 3 zeros, na? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. So now I will consider with respect to this third row. With respect to this third row, how we will do it as? Determinant will be 0 into third row A31 plus 0 into A32 plus 0 into A33 plus -1. The element will be multiplied here. -1 will be there. And then again what I need to do it as? -1 into, I have to perform it as what? A34 I need to do it as. Am I correct? Am I correct or wrong? Yes.
sir.
Yeah. I don't know the people why they are not responding to me. What happened to you guys? Is there any problem?
Sir, 5, sir, answer.
Yeah. Answer is 5.
Yes, sir.
Plus 5 or -5?
+5, sir.
+5, sir.
Plus 5 is the right answer. Very good. Yeah, very good. So I hope you understood my concept. So now you are in a position, if they provided you the fourth order matrix also, you can able to give the answer for that. Am I correct? Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Sir, in case they given two zeros, then how can we solve it? Can you explain, sir?
Yeah, in this problem itself, you can tell it as a, you can take this also. Instead of this third row, if you want to go for this first row, same analysis. See, here I'm having three zeros. Only one element will be presented here. That you done it as. Suppose with respect to first row, if I want to do it as for first row, 1 into A11 plus 0 into A12 plus 3 into A13 plus 0 into what? A14. Am I correct or wrong? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this 0 is not required and this 0 is not required. Then you require what? A1 into A11 and 3 into what? A13. So 2 times you people have to do it. That's all. The way of calculating A11 and A13, you know, na? Similar to this approach. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Those who asked the doubt, they got the point or not?
Sir, that means the first row and the second column and fourth column will be cancelled and the remaining elements we want to find it, sir.
Yeah, see, this while calculating A11 mark, individually you have to calculate as. For this and for this also individually people have to calculate as. For A11, what you will do? For A11, what you will do? You will eliminate this column and this row. This you will do it as. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I'll do one thing. First, wait for that. First, I will go with this one mark. Then I'll explain that also. You don't get bothered. First, this
Okay,
is
sir.
0
Okay.
na? Yeah. First, I'll give you with this third row. Then I'll solve that same with the first row also. You don't get bothered, right? Yeah. All these are 0. Then what I'll get as here? I'm just calculating this one mark. Yeah. -1. The element already is there. Then -1 whole power 3 plus 4. Then remaining thing. A34 means what? With respect to this, I'm calculating here. See, with respect to this means this column and this row, I need to eliminate it as. If I eliminate this, what will get as here? Come on, try to give me the answers. 1, sorry, not 1, na. Is it 1? Yeah, 1, 0, 3, 1 minus 1, 1, and 2, 0, 1, nama. This is the first case, ma. With respect to third row. Next, with respect to first row, also I will do it as. Yeah, now up to this, it is clear. Up to that, is it clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
There? Ma, are you there or not?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Yeah. Now what I will get as this is -1. -1 whole power 3 plus 4, ma. -1 whole power 7. Anyhow, -7. 7 means it is odd value. So hence -1 will be there. So -1 into -1 into what is the determinant of this value? Can you give me the answer for this? What is the determinant?
5,
Those who
sir.
solved.
Right, sir.
Yeah, which is 5, ma. So it is multiplied by 5. What is the final answer? Minus into minus plus. The answer will be what, ma?
5.
Plus 5. Correct? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, someone may ask, sir, if I'm not going with the third row, if I go with the first row, so go with first row. Yeah, if I'm going with the first row, this is the second one. In this, I told you what? 1 into A11 plus 0 into A12 plus what is the element there? 3, na? Yeah, 3 into A13 plus what is the last element? 0 into A14. So no need to calculate these two things. You remove this one, right? Now I need to calculate only for these two things. Are you able to follow me? Are you able to follow
Yes,
me?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For this, what you need to do? 1 into minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1, and the corresponding row and corresponding column I need to remove it as. See, for this I need to eliminate this column and row. For this column and that row I need to eliminate. So give me the values: minus 1, 1, 3, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Am I correct? Am I correct or wrong? If I remove that, what I will get as? Yeah, give me that. Tell me the value. Tell me that one. What I'll get as there? Tell me this one. Tell me that matrix values. Yeah, what happened?
Minus 1, 3.
Minus 1, 1, 3,
3,
0, 0,
0,
minus 1, 1 and
0,
2.
1.
Yeah. Then similarly, plus 3 is the element, and minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3. Then again the values. Again the values means what, ma? Again with
1
respect to
minus
this.
1.
Yeah, with respect to this I done. Then with respect to this one, this column and this row I need to eliminate it as. So by eliminating that, what are the elements I will get as here? Give me that values. If I eliminate that, what I'll get as? 1, minus 1, 3. Tell me, yeah. No one is helping me. 0, 0,
Minus 1.
minus
2,
1,
0, 2.
2,
0, 2.
0. Yeah. Is it correct now? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct only or not? No one is giving the answer to me. Is there any problem? Is there any problem you are facing? Anybody is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, give me the answer for this. 1 into minus 1. Yeah.
Sir,
1
1
into minus 1
into.
whole square, ma. So which is plus only, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1.
That is minus
Then
1,
what is the
sir.
determinant?
Minus
What
1,
is the
sir.
determinant
That.
for
Minus 1, sir.
minus
Minus
1,
1, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very
Plus
good. Then
3
plus
into 1.
plus 3 into
1
minus
into
1
1.
whole square. That value will be 1.
That is 2, sir.
Then what is the
2,
it is
2,
minus
sir.
1,
That.
ma? 2,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
how much you will have? This is
Minus
1.
1
Minus
plus
1 plus
6.
6
How much you got it?
plus 5.
5, sir.
Same only you are getting.
Okay, sir.
Same only you are getting. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now you understood those who asked the doubt, sir, whether you
Yes,
want
sir.
to go if more than 1 0 or 2 0 they had given, then you people have to do that.
Yes,
See,
sir. Yes, sir.
sometimes,
Understand, sir.
yeah, sometimes if your time is too good, all the 4 elements, all the 16 elements is presented. Then at that time, what you people have to do it as? At that time, what you have to do? Till now, there is no question like that. But if they provided you, obviously these 4 things you people have to do it as. You are in a position that. Now you understood now what I'm saying? What I'm telling is,
Yes,
if
yes,
all
sir.
the elements total is in a 4 by 4 matrix, all the 16 elements if it is presented, then only people have to do it as what? The same analysis. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, next problem number 5. Yeah, which is a good question, ma. Can you try that answer for this? Question number 6 or 5?
5, sir.
5.
5. Yeah, note down the question. Note down the question. The value of come on, answer the question. 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, minus 1, minus 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, 0, 2, 3, 5, 3, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Can you give me the answer for this? Yes, ma. If you want, you can take the options here. Options are, I'll give you. Option A, 36, B, minus 36, C, 0, D, 28. These are the options.
Minus
Come on,
36,
answer
sir.
the question. Huh?
Minus 36. Option B, sir.
What, ma?
Plus 36.
Option B is the right answer. Plus 36.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Plus 36, sir.
RT 26.
36, sir.
Options will be like this only. In get exam point of view, options will be tempting. Okay, you know the answer for that, but whether it is correct or wrong, you will have a confusion that. So that you have to eliminate. So this is the reason why most of the people they are getting disqualified in the get exam point. You are in a position that whether whatever the answer I am giving, is it correct or wrong, you have to cross verify from your side. That is how you have to do the analysis, right? See, generally what people will do it as, how you got it at 36 mark, can you explain me? How you got 36 and how you got minus 36? Someone said 36 and someone said minus 36. Yeah, how you will get yes?
The product of
Product diagonal elements.
What?
Product of diagonal elements.
Diagonal elements product. Why?
Yes.
Why? Why?
For triangular.
Because it is an upper triangular matrix.
Are you sure? Is it a upper triangular matrix? Are you sure? Can you cross verify with the definition? What is upper triangular matrix? A is equal to 0 for all I greater than say. Lower triangular matrix, A is equal to 0 for all I less than say. The given matrix does not satisfy either upper or lower triangular matrix. That is the first most statement. See, most of the people they are telling that sir, below the triangle elements, this triangle, you are thinking that this triangle is 0, sir. So that is the reason why this is a upper triangular matrix you are telling. Am I correct? Am I correct? You can
Yes,
cross
sir.
verify it. This is not upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix for your kind information. This is not your upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix with a definition. Only the diagonal elements I have to take it in this side only, not this side, right? So this is not your upper triangular matrix. This is not your lower triangular matrix for your kind information. Understood? Understood all?
Yes, sir.
Then how I can able to solve? Sir, this is not upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix. Then how I can able to solve that one? Yes. You can make this matrix either in terms of upper or lower triangular matrix by observing the matrix. See this last row, if I take in the reverse order, if I take this last row in the reverse order, R1 as R6, if I take it as this last row will go to the first row, then this fifth row will go to the second row. Like that, if I interchange, what will happen? It seems to be your what mark. You can cross verify it as. See, if I do that, R1 as, I'm just interchanging R1 as R6 and R2 as R5 and R3 as R4. I'm just interchanging this. I'm just interchanging this. R1 as R6, R2 as R5, R3 as R4. I'm just interchanging these three things. If I interchange, what I'll have, this first row will come to the sixth row, and the last row will go to the first row. Then fifth row will go to the second row will go to the fifth row. Then R3 as R4. Fourth row will go to the third row will go to the fourth row. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then if I interchange that, what I'll get as? If I interchange that, so write that the matrix mark, what will get as? I think 3 0 0 0 0 0. Then 1 minus 1 0 0 0 0 will be there. Next one minus 1 1 2 0 0 0 will be there. Then 2 3 5 3 0 0. Next minus 1 4 3 1 2 0. Next 2 1 3 2 5 minus 1. Am I correct? If I interchange all those, I'll get this criteria or not? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Able to follow? Yeah. Now it seems to be what mark? Now it seems to be what? Above the diagonal elements. Above the diagonal elements all are what? 0. Hence I can multiply. This is your lower triangular matrix. So for a lower triangular matrix, I can multiply what? The diagonal elements for a determinant. Am I correct? Are you able to following me?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to following me or not?
Yes, we
Yeah,
are
what is
following.
this here? Yeah, 3 into minus 1 into 2 into 3 into 2 into minus 1. Up to
36 is
up to up to that, is it enough? Yeah, anyhow this will be 36 only, you will have it as. Is it enough? Is it enough? Huh? No. What you need to do? I interchanged the row. Yeah, I interchanged the rows 3 times interchanged. So for this it will be multiplied by minus 1. For this it will be multiplied by minus 1. For this it will be multiplied by minus 1. Overall, how many number of multiplications? Minus 1. Overall,
3 times.
3 times, which is nothing but what? Minus 1 only na. 3 times if I am
Yes, sir.
multiplying, again multiplied by minus 1. The final answer will be what?
Minus 36.
Yeah, minus 36. This is the answer for the corresponding determinant, right? Yes. Are you able to following me, Nama? All.
Yes,
Is there
sir.
any doubts? Is there any doubts? I think it is clear. Shall I move on to the next problem? Shall I move on to the next problem? Shall I move on to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Shall we?
Yeah. Kindly respond. Kindly respond, please. Right on the next problem. Perform the following operations. Perform the following operations on the matrix. Perform the following operations on the matrix. That is, the matrix is they given you. It is a 3 4 45 7 9 105 13 2 and 195. The operations are first one, add third row to second row, add third row to the second row. Second operation is subtract third column from first column. Subtract third column from the first column. So if I am performing all these, then the determinant of the matrix is. Then the determinant of the matrix is. This is the question. Try to understand this question properly. Try to understand the question properly. Then you give me the answer for it. Okay. Yeah, try to understand properly the question. Yeah, what they had given in the question, ma? What they had given question? Perform the following operations on the matrix means you have to perform the operations on the following matrix. Then they are asking the determinant of this. So this is the question they had given. So what you people are doing? How will you get the solution? How you people will get the solution for this? Yes. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
How you will do it, Asma? Please listen. Don't do the operations. Don't do the operations that and all. See, they given the matrix capital A. If I am taking this matrix capital A is 3, 4, 45, 7, 9, 105, 13 to 195. This is the matrix they had given. And they asked that the first operation will be what, ma? Add third row to the second row. Means R3 as R3 plus R2. And the second one, what? Subtract the third column. Subtract the third column. That is C3 as C3 minus C1. Subtract the third column from the first column. Got my point? Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, these operations they are performing. Yeah, before solving this problem, I'll just take an example. I'll come back to the problem. Just I'll consider an example. Let me take some A is equivalent to 2, 4, 6, and 8. This is a matrix I'm just taking here. Yeah. The first case, what I will do is, for this, can you tell me directly the determinant for this matrix? Can you tell me the determinant for this matrix directly? What's the determinant? AD minus BC is a second order matrix. AD minus BC, 2 8 16 minus 6 4 24. What is the answer for this?
Minus 8, sir.
Yeah. First one, what I will do is, I will do R2 as R2 minus R1. Yeah. If I perform, what I will get as a matrix A? R2 as R2 minus R1, I'm doing it as. So what I will get as 2, 4. R2 means R2 minus R1. 6 minus 2, 4. Next 8 minus 4. How much? 4 only, na?
4.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 4, sir.
What is the determinant for this matrix now? What is the determinant for this matrix? 2, 4, 8
Minus 8.
4, 4, 6.
Minus 8.
Yeah, which is
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
minus. Determinant does not changes, ma? Is determinant changes? Is the determinant is changed?
No, sir.
Yeah. Then similarly, what I will do is C2 as C2 minus C1, ma. And if I do that, matrix, what I'll have it as first column same, and second column, what I'm doing is I'm subtracting C2 with the C1. Subtract, if I do it as 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, I will have it as. Yeah, now in this case, what is the determinant for this? Again, 2 2s, sir. 4
Minus
minus
8, sir.
6 2, sir. 12. How much? Same. The determinant changes.
No, sir.
Next case 3. If I do R2 as R2 by 2, if I do R2 as R2 by 2, what I'll have? What is the matrix A2 now? A is what? 2 4. I'm not disturbing R1. I'm just disturbing R2. R2 has what? R2 by 2 means 6 by 2 3, 8 by 2 4. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then what's the determinant for this?
Minus 4,
Not
sir.
responding. Not responding. Are you able to following me? Yes. Yeah. What you will get as here? 2 4 8 minus 3 4 12, which is how much, ma? Minus 4. So what happens to the determinant? If I'm performing R2 as R2 by 2, if I'm dividing with the 2, the determinant is also divided by 2. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you able to following me?
Yes, sir. We are following you.
Hi, you guys are. Yeah, are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, kindly respond me, ma. See, if you are not responding to me, I'll have a doubt that whether you people are following me or not. I'm not getting. Now you understood, na?
Yes,
See,
sir.
for this operation,
Yes.
no changes. For this operation, no. Yeah, this operation only changes, na? Next, one more operation I'm taking here. Fourth one, ma. Yeah, one more operation I'm taking here. That you know that already. R1 as R2 if I do it as. So what will happen? A is what, ma? 6 and 8, 2 and 4, na? What is the determinant for this?
8, sir.
What, ma?
8, sir.
4 is 24 minus 2 8 is 16, which is nothing but, yeah, 8 only, na? What difference you are getting here? If I interchange the row, the determinant is multiplied by what? Minus 1 only, na? This operation also changes. So this is plus 8. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, am I correct or wrong? Yes, ma, I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah. Is it clear now? What I told earlier,
Yes,
is it
sir.
clear now? Yeah. So that means that these two operations doesn't affect on the matrix. Only these two operations will affect the matrix. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So can you apply the same for your earlier problem? Can you apply the same for your this problem? So what happens here? See, they given the operations as what? R3 as R3 plus R2 and C3 as a C3 minus C1. Is there any effect on this operations on the matrix? Is there any effects on this matrix?
No, sir.
So there is no effect of these operations on the corresponding matrix. So hence directly what you can do it as? Directly what you people can do? There is no
Finding determinant, sir.
directly you can find the determinant for that matrix. So can you tell me the answer for this? What's the determinant for this matrix? What's the determinant for this matrix? This you may make it as a note point. Sometimes they will ask you such type of questions, right? Getting what I'm saying? How you will calculate the determinant for this matrix again? Again, simple criteria again. So what you will do? Why is there any problem? All? Anyone can respond me. Is there any problem? Am I audible only now? Am I properly conveying the message?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh? Am I properly audible to you?
Sir.
Then give me the answer for that. See again, no need to see. See the numbers. Those numbers are what, ma? It is a huge numbers. Don't worry about it. If you properly check it out, ma. If you properly check it out, this is C3. Whatever the value, C3 is nothing but what? 15 times of C1 are not 3, 45, 7, 105, 13, 195. This is C3. This C3 means 15 of your water. C1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the answer directly?
0, sir.
Yeah, if any one column or one row is proportional to each other, then what will be the answer? Is it 0 or not?
0. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 0.
Yeah, if you understand the concept properly, is it required to put a pen on paper for this problem? Question seems to be big. Question seems to be big. Am I correct or wrong? If you understand concept properly, then without putting a pen on paper, you can tell the answer direct. That's all. Simple. Clear? Is it clear all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah, so this is how you people have to solve the problems based upon the determinant of a matrix. So I hope you got some of the additional information for a concept of determinant of a matrix. I hope that. Am I correct? I don't know how much you followed me. Now you understood the concept properly, the concept of your what, the determinant of a matrix. So I'm hoping that if any of the problems they are asking from the concept of a determinant, you are in a position to give the answer for that. I'm hoping that. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move on to the next topic?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next one is inverse of a matrix. Next concept is inverse of a matrix. So what's time now?
620, sir.
Yeah, shall we go for discussion of problems or we'll go for the topic, next topic. So if I start that inverse of a matrix, time is not sufficient for that. Shall we discuss some more problems based upon this?
Yes, sir.
When we discuss. And one of the students asked the doubt of that earlier question. One question I just given as a homework. K transpose JK problem I just given. One of the student asked me that doubt. Whether you got the answer for that? Whether you got the answer for that problem? Did you got the answer for that problem? I think question will be, yeah, for someone they asked the doubt that I am just giving the answer for that one. Next problem, just take it as a problem. Yeah, J is equal to the given there 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 6 mark, and K is equal to 1, 2, minus 1. Then they asked K transpose J into K is that they asked. This is the question they asked. I'm just giving a solution for that. Yeah, K transpose J into K mark is K transpose means what? 1, 2, minus 1. Then the J is what? 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 6. Then K again, which is 1, 2, minus 1. If you write the orders for this matrix, this is what 1 row with 3 column. This is 3 row with 3 column. This is 3 rows with 1 column. Am I correct? Am I correct all?
Yes,
Or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
We will get it as this one Sima. First these two, or these two you can do it as whatever it may be the criteria. With the result, whatever the result you are getting from this, that also you can multiply, whatever it may be. You can do it as, yeah. First let me take these two things, then the resultant I will multiply it. So this row with this column, each and every column I need to multiply it as. Yeah, how I will get as, what I will get as, ma? 1 into 3, 2 into 2, minus 1 into minus 1. Sorry, minus 1 into 1. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what will get it as? See, you can represent this one. See, 1 into 3, 1 by 3 and 3 by 3. This 3 will get cancelled. Result and will be what? 1 by 3 matrix only, na? 1 by 3 matrix only will get as or not? Yeah. Try to write that 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1. Next, this row again this with the column. So 1 into what happened? Yeah, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus minus 1 into 2. Then last column 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 6. Then last will be there, which is 1, 2, minus 1. Yeah. What is the resultant for that? What is the result? What is this result? 3 plus 4 minus 1. How much you will get as? Give me the answer directly, this
6.
value. Can you give me the answer for this?
8 minus 1, sir.
What mark? Here this is 1, 2, minus 1. This is
Minus 1.
3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 1 mark. 6. 2 plus
8
8
minus
minus 2. 8. 5 minus
minus
6 minus 1. Na? Yeah, this is minus 1. Yeah, again this is nothing but what? This is 3 rows with 1 column. This is what? 3 rows with 1 column. Resultant is what, ma? Sorry, I made a mistake here. Am I correct? This is nothing
Sir,
but what?
you mistaken at the top, sir.
What?
Sir, we do problem
Where
in mistake, sir. In top, sir. Just
Where?
here only, sir. Here only. Sir, here 1 by 3, sir. K transpose.
Yeah, this is 1 by 3.
And 3 by 3, sir.
Sir, while performing first two, we will get 1 cross 3, sir. That means 1 row, 3 columns, sir. That 6,
Okay,
8
okay,
minus
okay.
1 should write in row, sir.
Acha,
Here we
acha.
get 1
Sorry,
by
ma,
3,
I
sir.
done mistake.
Here we
Yeah,
got
yeah,
1 by
yeah.
3.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Somewhere I done a mistake here. Yeah. This is Sima. This 3 will get cancelled. 1 row with a 3 column. I think I should write like this. Sorry. This is a mistake I done here. This I should write it as 1 into 2 plus a 2 into 4 plus minus 1 into 2. Then this one 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 6. Am I correct? Now? Yes. Yeah. This will be multiplied with what? 1, 2 minus 1. Na? All. No one is responding. Yeah, I think this will be I think this will be 6, 8 minus 1 nama.
Minus 9,
All.
sir. Sir, minus 9, sir, not minus 1.
Minus 9.
Yes, sir.
How? See, 1 into 1, 2 into 2, minus 1 into 6. Ma. This is 1 plus 4, 5, 5 minus 6, minus 1 only. Na? Yes.
Sir, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 2. Sir,
Is there
will
any problem? What, ma? Is there
Sir,
any
in
mistake again?
multiplication,
I'm not
sir, in
getting
multiplication we do wrong, sir.
Huh?
In multiplication we do wrong, sir. So here minus 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 6, sir. Here we add, we not mention minus, sir.
See here, this column, I need to multiply this column, sorry, this row with this column, then this column only, na?
Sir.
1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1, then 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus minus 1 into 2, then similarly 1 into 1, 2 into 2, minus 1 into 6. That's all. I'm just doing first this one, ma. These two I'm doing. Is there any mistake here again? Is it correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
This is 6, 8 minus 1 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Then again,
23,
this is
sir.
what, ma? 1
Answer
row
is
with
20.
yeah, 3 rows, 1 column. What will get as? 6 into 1
6 into
plus 8 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1. How much?
23, sir.
6 plus, yeah, 6 plus 16 plus 1. How much? 23.
20.
Yeah, now you got it, na, that point. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Did you understand that problem? Did you understand that problem? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, someone asked one more problem. Yeah, someone asked one more problem. X is 4 by 3, Y is 4 by 3, and P is 2 by 3. Then they asked what? P into X transpose Y whole inverse to P transpose, then whole transpose. The order they asked. For this matrix, they asked the order. Yeah, what you will get it as? Yes. What is the order for this matrix, mark? What is the order for this matrix? Yeah, it's a 2 by 2 mark. So how will you get as? See, check it out. First, X transpose Y mark. X transpose means what? X transpose means what? Rows into columns I need to interchange. This is 3 by
3 by 4, sir.
Next. Yeah, Y is what? 4 by 3. For this, I need to do the inverse. So these two will get cancelled. Then I'll have here what? 3 by 3 inverse. If I do the inverse for a matrix, the same 3 by 3 only will get it as now. This is this one. Next, for P. P is what? Again, 2 by 3 will be there. Then P transpose. P transpose is what? 3 by 2 will be there. Now first let me take these two. Let me take this two mark. You'll have 2 by 3 into 3 by 3 only will be there. Then first these two will do it as what will happen? First these two, if you do it as these two will get cancelled, resultant will be what mark? 2 by 3. Again resultant will be here what? This one. This will be multiplied with what? 3 by 2. Yeah. Again these two will get cancelled. 2 by 2 will be there. Then finally what you have to do it as? Transpose you have to do it as. Am I correct? What's the transpose of this one again? It's a square matrix. Transpose of this one is what? Same as this of 2 by 2. That's all. Is there any doubts? Clear ma? Nothing clear ma. Simply
Sir,
X
sir, A
transpose.
transpose and A inverse both are same, sir.
Yeah. What ma?
Sir, here we did X
A
transpose means 3 into 4, no, sir. After X transpose into Y, 3 into 3 whole inverse, no, sir. Inverse means also we should do transpose means that means 3 into 3 only, sir.
No. For inverse, see, inverse if you are doing inverse does not changes the order. Inverse will be
Okay, sir.
applicable for a square matrix. Inverse is applicable for square matrix only.
Okay, sir.
Inverse doesn't affect the matrix order. Okay, doesn't affect the matrix order. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
There.
Yeah. So I hope you understood the concepts properly in my determinant of a matrix. In the next session, I'll start the inverse of a matrix. So what you people are feeling about this up to the determinant of a matrix so far? Now the concepts are clear or not?
Yes, sir. It's clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So